Hello friends, welcome to my channel Science for Agri Course. Friends, in this video, we'll discuss the 2018 question paper of National Seeds Corporation Limited. Some of these questions have reappeared in the 2019 question paper also. So all those students who are preparing for the National Seed Corporation Management Trainee, Senior Trainee and Trainee Agriculture, watch the video till end to get benefited, as some of the questions might appear in the 2020 question paper also. So friends, this is the question paper of 2018 Management Trainee Production. There are many chances that these questions might also appear in the 2020 examination. So watch the video till end and answers are given along with the questions. So solve the paper, note down the important points. I'll give you the explanation also. And if you haven't checked out my previous videos, please check those videos of 2019 question paper of Management Trainee and Senior Trainee. I have explained it clearly with answers are also mentioned in the question paper. If you haven't subscribed to my channel Science for Agri Course, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. Now let's start with the question paper. First question. A sandy soil contains more than 60% of sand particles. Second question. Soil structure refers to arrangement of soil particles. Third question. Which of the following does not influence the soil structure? Base exchange. Did you notice that 3 questions are related to the soil science only? First 3 questions. Next question. Botanical name of jowar is sorghum bicolor. Fifth question. Cotton belongs to the family Malvaceae. Sixth question. Which of the following is not a variety of bajra? Pusa 3, Composite 3 and WCC 75 are the varieties of bajra. So the BL 54 is not the variety. The most critical stage for water for potato crop is? The answer is in the beginning of tuberization. Eighth question. Which one is not a symptom of poor drainage? The answer is lowering of water table. Lowering of water table is not a symptom of poor drainage. Next question. 1 meter cube per second water is equal to 1000 liters. Next question. Q is equals to 0.138 h square under root h is a formula to calculate discharge of water through 90 degrees notch. Water requirement of crops is the amount of water needed for to meet the consumptive use demand plus losses from field including conveyance. Next question. Indicate the percentage of nitrogen in DAP. 18%. 46% is present in urea. So read the percentage of nitrogen compositions in the fertilizers, phosphorus compositions, potassium compositions also while preparing for the examination. Next question. The seed rate for true potato seed should be 100 to 125 grams per hectare area. 14th question. Maize is a monoecious plant in which male flower emerges a week before emergence of female flower. 15th question. Pegging down in groundnut is the process of elongation of style. 16th question. Topping is a practice done in tobacco. 17th question. Mehsana breed belongs to the species buffalo. 18th question. Which of the following animal has longest gestation period? The answer is buffalo. Umran is a variety of ber. See, in this question paper at least you will have 3 to 4 questions on the varieties. So read the varieties of important crops and important varieties of all the crops. Next question. The edible part of knoll coal is? Stem. See, next question on variety. Pusa Naveen is a variety of bottle gourd. Next question. Chili is grown under tropical and subtropical climate. Tropical and subtropical climate. Next question. One more question on varieties. Pusa Nasdar and Pusa Chikni are the varieties of sponge gourd. Next question. Carrot belongs to the family Umbelliferae. See, you got two questions on the family. One you got for cotton and this one is second one, carrot. 25th question. Tomato originated in Mexico. One more question on variety. Arka Navneet is a variety of brinjal. Next question. Sowing time of pea is October to November. 28th question. The family of watermelon is Cucurbitaceae. This is the third question on the families. So read the family of all the important crops. Next question. In wheat, RHT3 gene is derived from tom thumb. This question is given even in the 2019 question paper. So remember, questions may reappear in the next year examination. So watch the video till end to not to miss even a single question. Next question. Which is transition? A to G is transition. You need to know the examples of transitions and transversions. Generally, cereals are deficient in lysine. Even this is the repeated question. This question has appeared even in the 2019 question paper. Wheat variety C306 is resistant to drought. Next question. Indian Society of Genetics and Plant Breeding was founded by T.S. Venkatraman. Next question. The term mobilization is related to sugarcane. HUW234 is a variety of wheat. See, one more question on the varieties. Next question. Calcium deficiency causes toxicity of manganese. 37th question. Border strip of irrigation is followed in wheat. 38th question. Deficiency symptoms of sulfur are seen first on upper leaves. 39th question. Which one is primary companion crop of coffee plantation in multi-level cropping? The answer is banana. 40th question. A cross between two parents of different characters is called monohybrid cross. One more question on variety. H77 is a 777 is a variety of cotton. 42nd question. Seed viability is tested by chloride. Friends, if you are interested in preparing for the National Seed Corporation exam seriously, follow the page Science for Agricos. Daily updates and daily revision classes or revision videos will be updated on the Science for Agricos page, as well as they will be uploaded on this YouTube channel Science for Agricos. If you are interested, subscribe to the channel Science for Agricos. And more interesting videos will come for the preparation of National Seed Corporation. 43rd question. Development of seed without fertilization is called apomixis. 42nd question. Seed viability is tested by chloride. 44th question. When pollen from one flower pollinates another flower of the same plant, it is called as geitonogamy. Example is maize. 45th question. The effect of the genotype of pollen grain on the phenotype of endosperm is known as Xenia effect. Next question. Which one of the following is the botanical seed? Chickpea grain is the botanical seed. Even this question is repeated in the 2019 question paper. This shows how important it is to solve the previous year question papers. So friends, watch the video till end and get benefited. 47th question. Maximum hard seeds are found in the family Leguminosae. 48th question. One of the following seeds has the shortest longevity. Onion. 49th question. Aflatoxin develops in the seeds of groundnut. 50th question. Black heart of potato is caused by lack of oxygen. 51st question. Aflatoxin is produced by Aspergillus flavus. 52nd question. Loose mud of barley is internally seed borne. Even this question is repeated in 2019 question paper. 53rd question. Mango tip or mango necrosis is caused by toxicity by sulfur dioxide and boron. 54th question. Khaira disease is caused by zinc deficiency. 55th question. Rhizophus rot of ginger is caused by A fungus. 56th question. Little leaf of brinjal is caused by Mycoplasma. 57th question. Which of the following suck insect body? Thymus. 58th question. Moniliform antennae is the characteristic of termites. 59th question. Clypeus is the part of head. 60th question. How many segments form head capsule in locust? 6. 61st question. Insecticide used in prophylactic treatment of food grain is malathion. 62nd question. Trypsin inhibitor is present in pulses. 63rd question. White ear in rice is caused due to stem borer. 64th question. Fruit plant more susceptible to frost is lychee. 65th question. Rose variety with chocolate color flower is mohini. One more question on variety. See, you have bicolor rose variety is abhisarika. 67th question. High density orcharding is better in apple. 68th question. 1 ton of jasmine flower yield is 3 kg concrete. 69th question. Blue flowering tree is jacaranda. 70th question. Double flowering bougainvillea variety is cherry blossom. The rest of the 30 questions are from aptitude, reasoning and English, general knowledge, all are covered, the next 30 questions. So these are, till here we have the agriculture questions. So friends, if you are interested in attending the mock tests and for more videos on National Seed Corporation exam preparation, subscribe to the channel Science for Agricos and follow the page Science for Agricos on Facebook. If you find the video to be useful, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel Science for Agricos for more useful content. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook.